Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to allow message requests from others on Instagram using your PC, especially with the latest updates. This feature is essential for staying connected with new people and ensuring you don't miss out on any important messages. Let's dive into the steps. First, open Instagram on your PC. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, look for the More icon located at the left side menu of your screen. This icon typically looks like three horizontal lines stacked together. After clicking on the More icon, a menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where various options related to your account are displayed. Next, navigate to Message and Story Replies. You can find this option in the Settings menu, and it's crucial for managing how you interact with messages on Instagram. Now, let's focus on Message Controls. Click on this option to customize how you receive messages from others. Under the section labeled Others on Instagram, you'll see the option for Message Requests. This is where the magic happens. To enable message requests from everyone, simply choose Message Requests. By doing this, you allow users who don't follow you or whom you don't follow to send you message requests. This is a great way to connect with new friends or potential collaborators. Once you've made your selection, you're all set. You can now easily receive message requests from anyone on Instagram, broadening your network and enhancing your social interactions. Finally, remember to check your messages section regularly. You can find it at the top right of your screen after clicking on the home icon. Here, you'll see all incoming message requests and can decide which ones to accept or decline. That's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully enabled message requests on Instagram using your PC. Now you can enjoy seamless communication without missing out on any important messages. Happy messaging.